Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel, Life with the Vargas family. Today, in this video, we're doing a food review on Dave's Hot Chicken. I've done a food review on this before, but I didn't try medium. I think I tried mild. I think I tried mild. I don't know if mild and medium is different, but I went with medium this time. Let me open it up real quick, show you guys what it looks like. I had it in my backpack on my motorcycle, so hopefully it's not all messed up. Oh, it's not. Okay. It's not that bad. All right, so you get, I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is what you get when you order from Dave's Hot Chicken. Mine's look a little all over the place because, like I said, it was in my backpack because I was riding home on my motorcycle, but this shit looks good. And me personally, I love how they season their fries at Dave's. So enough of me talking about it. Let me actually eat it now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry, I'm over here trying to do this as I'm making the video. All right. Let's put a little bit of ketchup on the fries. Man, I like Dave's. Dave's is fire. This is only my second time eating Dave's Hot Chicken though. No, my third time. No, it's my second. My second or my third time. I can't remember, but every time I eat Dave's, I'm like, why haven't I ate this a lot more? And then also you get some, they give you so many pickles. Look how many extra pickles they give you. Plus, there's already 3 pickles on the sandwich. I love pickles alone, so shout out to Dave's Chicken, bro. You guys are amazing. Who's the owner of Dave's Chicken? I want to know. But also you get like a little sauce too. I don't really like their sauce that much. My bad to Dave's, but everything else is good. Let's take the first bite of the chicken though. Whew, it smells kind of, it kind of smells more spicy than the other one that I had, but let's see. Bro. They give me napkins. They didn't give me no napkins. That shit was good. Whoa. Man. But I'm off the spiciness. This is medium. It's not that spicy. I'm gonna try it with ketchup this time though. Cause that first bite was, man. You guys have to go try Dave's. I don't know where you guys at are. I don't know, whoever's watching this video, I don't know where you're at in the world, but there might be a Dave's by your house somewhere. Go try it out. You would not be disappointed. One more bite. Then they give you the pickle. Man, this shit is good. Man, this shit is taking forever to chew. Woo! I also want to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing a lot more bike videos. So, you guys have to stay tuned for that. What did I do with the receipt? I thought I had the receipt. I can tell you guys the price. Oh man. Right. We're gonna take a couple more bites. Add a little bit more ketchup. Then I'm gonna get through my 1 through 10 on these chicken sandwiches. I'm only gonna eat one. I know it comes with 2, but I'm only gonna eat 1 for the video. I'm gonna eat these, and after that, I have to go to the gym. Oh. They're really good. I don't know what it is, but the pickles make it taste better. Man, we're gonna take another bite. Dave's chicken is good. I don't know what I did with my receipt though. I was really trying to show you guys. Alright, one last bite. I know I've been saying that for like the whole video. I've been saying one more bite. One more bite. Alright. The bread they use is good. Man, this bread is probably used from every other place. I'm over here talking about the bread they use is good. They probably use this bread at McDonald's. Alright. I'm just gassing them up at this point now. Man, shit's good. That's how you know when this shit's good. When I'm quiet, I'm not even talking. That's how you know it's good. But anyway, so I don't have the receipt, but off the top of my head, it cost $15. You don't get a drink. If you added a drink, it probably would have been like maybe $16, $17. But 1 through 10 on Dave's Hot Chicken. I'm gonna give them a 20, bro. A 20. This is amazing. I don't even know what I can compare this to because that's how good this chicken sandwich is. Or their chicken in general. But anyways, this video is over. Like, comment, and subscribe. More videos coming soon. Let's get it.